Okay, so I have this video ranking on YouTube, I've had this video ranking, I have this video ranking, I've had this video ranking, and so many other videos ranking on YouTube. You might be wondering, why should I be bothered about ranking my videos on YouTube?
You are who?
So here's the thing. Once your video is ranked on the first page on YouTube, that's absolutely free traffic. You don't have to pay. Okay? So this one no be say they shoot baby man fly.
La true, madam.
Once your video is ranked on YouTube, you don't have to start chasing your family members to ask them, please subscribe to my channel, please share my videos, please do this, please do this. No.
No, she thinks that we not hear all the things what they talk.
Once your video is ranked on YouTube, the relevant people, the persons that are supposed to watch those contents, will go on YouTube, type a relevant keyword concerning that particular topic they are looking for an answer for, okay? And they will land on the videos that are ranking on that keywords on YouTube. So this is why you should rank your video. So it's more like your customers are coming to you direct, your viewers are coming to you direct instead of you chasing them around. Okay? Shotibo.
Madam, now you do all this kind of thing.
So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to easily rank your videos on the first page of YouTube. Without further shalaye, let's get to the video. Okay, so what's up guys? I want to show you how to rank your gig on, how to rank your videos on YouTube, okay? So I'm just going to highlight, this point. First of all, we need keyword research, okay? You need to make keyword research. I will explain those things in a jiffy, okay? By the way, most of my videos, some of them, not all, tutorial, okay? Some of them are ranking on YouTube. Okay, so you guys see that I'm not just making things up and showing you guys. Just to watch, okay? I just typed Canva tutorial. Okay, so this is my video. You see, it's ranking on first page. Okay, then there are so many of them. Canva Pro free. Okay, there are so many of them. Okay, so this is the one I just published just 1 week ago, and it's already ranking. Okay, then there is also this. Okay, there's like this just to show you. Okay, I think my video is ranking on this keyword. Okay, so this is my video. Okay, so I'm not just making things up. Okay, I'm not just making things up. So all I'm going to share with you here is tricks that work. Okay, so first things first, you need the keyword research. Keyword research is you need to know number of persons that are searching for that particular topic that I need to do. They need to do a video. You don't just go about doing videos. Before you do video, you need to know the number of people that are searching for it on YouTube. Okay, like if you type, let's say, YouTube SEO, like this video you're watching right now, I'm trying to rank it. Okay, so if you type how to rank videos on YouTube 2020, there are so many search words, okay, but we don't know which one people are searching for the most. Okay, so this is keyword research. Okay, this is keyword research. So you need to know, like, the video idea you have, how many number of persons are searching for that video ideas. Okay, so that's keyword research. This is the first thing. Before you even pick a camera, this is the first thing you should do. This is the first thing you should do. So how do we do keyword research? So this brings us to vidIQ. Okay, so vidIQ, this brings us to vidIQ. vidIQ is a tool, okay, that's used to make keyword research. It tells you the number of people that are searching for that keyword. Okay, so how do we do it? I have vidIQ installed in my system already. Okay, so that's why I see it up here. But for those of you that don't have it, just go to the Chrome browser, go to more tools, go to extension. Okay, once you go to extension, click here and go to open Chrome web. Okay, so once you open Chrome web, it leads you to this point. So this point now, you just type vidIQ. Okay, then search. You search. Okay, so this is it. But if I click on it, I already have it in my system, so that's why it says remove from Chrome. No, I have. But in your own case, it will write add to Chrome. Okay, so after adding it, okay, you come here. It will show up on your Chrome. If you don't show up, it will tell you to pin it here. Okay? It will tell you to pin it to extensions. You click here or you pin it. You see, I pinned all of these ones. Alright? If I remove it, if I unpin it now, it will unpin. But I pinned it. That's why I see it up here. So, after that, you sign up, click on it. Okay? It will bring a drop down. Okay? This, you will see this side. It will tell you to sign in or create or set up account. Okay, so create your account. I already signed in here, so I'm not going to log out. So create an account. Okay, so after creating an account, you log in. Okay, find your way to the SEO and tax this side. Okay, click on SEO and tax. All right, so click on it to open to a new page. Remember, we are doing keyword research right now. All right, we want to find out the number of persons that are searching for this keyword before we even do a video. So keywords, click on keywords. Okay, I'm not trying to boost, I'm not trying to increase it. So keywords, this is free, actually it's free. So I'm trying to do a keyword. I'm trying to do a video on how to rank YouTube videos, but there's so many of them. So I need to know which one people are searching for the most. So I come here and type how to rank videos on YouTube. Okay, I enter. Let's search. Okay, to tell me. Do you guys see? See how to rank videos on YouTube is just 5,000 volume. Like 4,000 persons are searching for it, which is very low, very low. But if you watch it, it gives us related keywords. You see how to rank YouTube videos. 87,000 persons, showed me that how to rank YouTube videos. You see, 87,000 persons. So this is nice. YouTube SEO, okay, 340,000, and it's low competition. Watch. Why I like this too is that it tells you which, like this, it has low competition. So not much number of persons are doing this on YouTube. So you need to do it. And if you do this video, you will have so many chances of ranking. That's what it means. Okay. So instead of so I can simply use YouTube SEO 1, then I use how to rank videos on YouTube. Okay, that's it. So this leads us to then this is one of it. Any video you want to do, first of all, come here and type related keywords. Okay, that's what you need to do. You don't just make up video by your head and think that people are searching for it. No, come here and know the number of persons, so that when you do this video, you get views from it, even when you don't have subscribers. All right, so. Okay, so let's be practical now. I'm going to upload a video, so I'll show you the step to step on how to do this. Okay, so I'm done doing my keyword research right now, so I'm about uploading this video, so I'll show you guys exactly what I'm doing. All right, so let me open Canva here. First, I need to show you guys something on Canva. So while we wait for it to load, it may take a while, but just hold on. Okay, so I select the video I want to upload. All right, I go to exported videos. Okay, let me just use a sample video, that is not much. Okay, okay, where do I find that video right now? Okay, so this, I think is this properties. Okay, so this is it. So see what I did. I renamed this video. It wasn't this name. It wasn't like this before. So I renamed it to the keywords I found from vidIQ. So I renamed it YouTube SEO, how to rank videos on YouTube fast. Okay, so I open it. If you check, wait, so that this thing will load up. So I'll show you guys. Okay, so you see this title. Okay, you see this is my title. YouTube SEO, how to, let's see. How to rank YouTube videos. Okay, how to rank YouTube videos. Let's use fast. Okay, so I combined these three things. I combined YouTube SEO, which has so many keywords, okay, which has so many search volumes. Okay, I combined it, then combined it with this second one again, how to rank YouTube videos, 87, making it up to 4,000 persons searching for it. Then plus this one. Okay, so all in one. Even if I don't rank for YouTube SEO, I will rank for how to rank YouTube videos. Even if I don't rank for it, I want to how to rank YouTube videos fast. Okay, so this is it. So the next thing is your description. Okay, so make sure that the first 20 words that comes in here should have these words scattered in it, and the rest of it should be in your description. So you can write YouTube. Okay, today, in today's video, I will show you how to rank YouTube videos. Okay, in today's video, which is a tip on YouTube SEO. Okay, so you understand me? Pile it in, fill it in, make sure that it's, you know, these keywords are not that you stuff it in unnecessarily, but make sure that you include all these things. Okay, make sure that you include all of these things inside your description. Okay, you can add links, you can add your related videos and all of those things, but make sure that it is up to 2,000 characters. Okay, copy your links, copy whatever, and put it here. All right. So after you are done, you scroll down. Okay, that brings us to thumbnail. Okay, so if you open up here, what thumbnail does for you is that, you see, whenever you come to YouTube, okay, let's go over to YouTube. Whenever you come to YouTube, this is thumbnail. Okay, I didn't add thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail. What thumbnail does for you is that whenever you come to YouTube, okay, when you rank, even if when you rank, okay, when you see these videos, you see these are thumbnails, okay. Thumbnail makes you want to click a video. Okay, so this is what thumbnail does. It helps it attracts the customer to click your videos. Okay, so here I have so many thumbnails. I do all my thumbnail designs in Canva. As you can see, this is the thumbnail of this video I'm trying to record right now. You see how fine it looks? People would like to like it. It looks okay. See this is another fine thumbnail, all done on Canva. You guys can see it, right? So this is what thumbnail do for you. So when you go to thumbnail, you upload the thumbnail and make sure you rename the thumbnail, rename this thumbnail, make sure it is named this keyword, this keyword you are using. Okay, make sure it's named. All right. So after that, select your playlist. So these are things that you need to do. Select any playlist you created. Okay, make sure you select it, and scroll down. The next thing, and one of the most important thing, is tags. Okay, tags. Make sure that you add tag. Okay, especially VidIQ already suggested these tags, YouTube SEO 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to use all of them. Okay, because they are the most relevant. So I'm going to use 3 of them. Okay, then I go to a website that brings us to rapidtags.io. Okay, this rapidtags.io. Okay, so I go to this website, rapidtags.io. Okay, this helps you. This helps you generate tags automatically. So all you need to do is go to your title, video title. Okay, go to your video title, scroll up here, how to rank your. So copy it and come here and paste it. Okay, copy your video title and paste it and click on search. Okay, this tool automatically generates your YouTube title. Okay, do you guys see that it's something very close to what we have there? See YouTube SEO and all of those. So just copy it and come here. Your tags, come down here. Okay, come down to your tags. Where is the tags now? Okay, here, and paste it. Okay, paste it is more than required, so I just have to delete. Okay, just delete. You see, so this is it. You see, this rises to 48/50. Things that I need to do, my actionable SEO, that I'm doing the right thing. This is what VidIQ tells you. Okay, so this is the most important. Everything we have done here is the most important. All other ones, monetization, video elements, and and visibility, are just add-ons. But these are the relevant things that you need to do to make your videos rank. Let me recap again. Do your keyword research first, okay, using VidIQ or you use Google Planner, okay, or you use TubeBuddy, okay, before even doing your videos. So make sure the next one is make sure that your titles have your keywords, your description have your keywords, and then your thumbnails are very nice, okay, and you rename each and every one of them with your keyword. Okay, then the last but not the least is use rapidtags.io as your tags. Okay, I hope this is very clear. If you really want to rank your videos, this is actually what you need to do. Okay, then please subscribe. I'll leave you guys here. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. I hope your videos rank too though. Bye.